Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Silvi with my student number 207759. I'm from STK IPPGRI Jombang. Actually, this video is for my middle examination of inferential statistics, and this video let I would like to tell you how to analyze assumption of paired sample t-test by using SPSS. This is the research situation. I will read for you. A researcher investigate the impact of team game tournament on student speaking skill. The researchers gave speaking tests to the student before and after the treatment with the following result. So this is our data. As we can see, there is a 35 respondent and 2 tests. First is pre-test and the second is post-test. Because the data presented by comma and my SPSS cannot read that, so I decided to change comma because to be dot or point. Jadi saya mengganti koma menjadi titik karena SPSS saya tidak bisa membaca koma. So let's begin. First is open your SPSS. Click variable view. There is two tests, right? First is pre-test and the second is post-test. So we can write this pre-test in here, post-test. Okay. Decimal is 2. Why? Because the data, as we can see, there is two number. This is decimal, right? And two number behind the dot. So we can write the decimal is 2. I'm sorry. Measure is unknown. So let's give it label. The label pre-test is same pre-test. The second label is same post-test. Same with the name. So let's input the data. Click data view. The pre-test, let's block it and copy, or we can Control C. We can input in here. Okay, let's check before continue. 35. Number second is post-test. We can Control C. Open your SPSS again, and you can Control V. Okay, let's analyze the assumption. Do you know the assumption of paired sample t-test? It just have to analyze. First is normality, and the second is outlier. So let's analyze. First, click analyze, descriptive statistic, explore. Then both data keduanya, Control A, and we moved on dependent list column. Click plot here. Dependent together, you have to checklist and normality plot test. Don't forget in plot box, you have to change factor level together to be dependent together. Click continue. Okay. Okay, this is the normality and this is the outlier. Let's interpret this. From the table test of normality, as we can see, a significant value of pre-test is 0.883 and post-test is 0.044. So from table above, we use Sapir-Whorf because the respondent is less than 50. It's just 35, right? 35, and we get the significant value of post-test just 0.044. It's mean post-test is not normally distributed because it's less than 0.05 as a rules of Sapir-Whorf. But in the pretest, we have a 0.883, means more than 0.05 as a Sapir-Whorf rule. So the pretest is normally distributed. So next in the outlier, as we can see in the picture, there is no outlier detected. So it means the assumption of outlier is fulfilled. Just here for just enough for me. Sorry if I make a mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.